Hello friends, today we are going to make crab roast, and this is a surprise for all of you. Today it's my mother who's going to cook for us. This is about half a kg of crab cut into pieces and cleaned. So let's have a look at other ingredients too. These are the ingredients required for making the crab roast. About 2 big onions which is thinly sliced, about 8 to 10 shallots, 8 to 10 garlic pods, 2 big tomatoes sliced, some curry leaves, dry masala like the turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder, coriander powder, jeera and salt to taste. To make the crab roast, first let's take a thick bottom pan and add all the onion and the garlic pods to it. Then add about 2 tablespoons of oil and give it a nice stir and wait for it to turn golden brown. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't get stuck in the bottom. After about 5 minutes, you can see that the onion has turned golden brown. To this, my mother is adding the marinated crab pieces. She has mixed the turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder and coriander powder and left it for about half an hour. And to this mixture she is adding about 1 glass of water so that all the masala gets well coated and the pieces get nicely cooked. Let's leave this for a while. After about 5 minutes you can see that some of the water is absorbed. She has added the tomato slices and the curry leaves and the necessary salt. Give this mixture a nice stir and leave it for a while by closing the lid so that the juices get absorbed. After 5 minutes you can see that all the water is absorbed and the crab is nicely cooked. Add about half a teaspoon of jeera powder and your crab fry is ready. I hope you liked this video. For more interesting videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to write your comments below. Thank you for watching.